If you want to manually measure the model, you can do so by generating a fitting box either around just the body or the whole model. New subtool generates a fitting box around the selected subtool, while New Bounding Box subtool generates a fitting box around all subtools, which includes the height or thickness of the hair. Let me click on New Bounding Box subtool. A large box will cover up the whole model, and when I open up subtool list, at the bottom I will see the generated bounding box. To measure, press W to launch gizmo and Y to change it to transpose tool. Snap and click at the top right point of the box, then snap and click at the bottom right point. The Y value will be displayed at the top left corner of the screen. 1565 millimeters, which includes the height of the hair. Let me check the subdivision level is at the highest level. Okay, it is. If I want to